How to accept payments with Stripe payment platform online. Step by step in this video, I'm going to show you all steps regarding that. Step 1 will be create a Stripe account. Add your business information like name, address, type, and bank account for payouts. Once you have completed the setup, Stripe account will be ready to accept payments from all around the world. Step 2 will be set up payment gateway for online payments. To start accepting online payments for an e-commerce store or website, you just have to choose the platform. Like for WooCommerce, WordPress, install the Stripe WooCommerce plugin. For Shopify, enable Stripe payments in the Shopify setting. For custom website, use Stripe API to integrate payments to your checkout process. Connect your Stripe account. Follow the instructions on the platform to link your Stripe account for payment processing. If you're using the Stripe API, you will need to generate your API keys from the Stripe dashboard. Enable payment method. Stripe automatically supports major card to enable Apple Pay or Google Pay. Follow the setup guide in the Stripe dashboard. You can also accept the ACH bank payments for large transaction or subscription models. Add the Stripe payment button. On your checkout page, add the Stripe checkout button to allow customers to make secure payments. Step 3 is accept in-person payment with Stripe terminal. To accept in-person payments, you will need to use a Stripe terminal device. Order a Stripe terminal reader. Then go to Stripe terminal page and purchase a compatible reader from there. Make sure the reader is compatible with your country so that you can use it without any problem. Now set up the terminal. Download Stripe Terminal SDK if you want to integrate the terminal with your own app. Alternatively, use Terminal Point of Sale for a simple setup that works with Stripe Terminal app on your iOS or Android. Now, open the Stripe app or your integrated application that you have connected with Stripe and select the amount to charge. Ask the customer to insert, tap, or swipe their card. Now, payment will be processed securely and funds will be transferred to your bank. Step 4 is accept mobile payments via Stripe. Stripe also allows you to accept payments through your mobile app. Use the Stripe SDK to integrate mobile payments into your iOS or Android. For iOS, use Stripe. For Android, use Stripe Android. Enable Apple Pay and Google Pay for mobile payments if you want to offer these options. So this was about how you can do it. And the last will be simply get paid and enjoy your money. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. And please subscribe to the channel for watching such amazing and short updates like that.